In front of me is Redmi Pad 2, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. All you need to do is open your app and launch it in the background. Then hold it to click on this icon between two rectangles and a gear. As you can see now, I can use my app in this window. To close it, swipe it in the background. To move it around, you need to hold three dots at the top of it and drag it. To scale it or reshape it, hold one of its bottom corners and drag it as well. If you want to use your app in full screen view, hold this lower line and drag it all the way down. You can also click on those three dots at the top of your window and try all of those options. Click on the first icon over here to use your app in full screen view. Click on one of those, also on the left, to use this app in split screen. So when I click, I need to select the second app and use both at once. By clicking on this icon of an X on the right, you can close your window completely. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!